Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to chat on Monkey app. Right, so Monkey app is pretty similar to other social media, so it's really easy. If you just go and tap on here, you will able to start video chatting. But here in the bottom middle section, you will see this option which is called friend section. Just like how you use a DM section on WhatsApp, Instagram or other social media, same goes here. You can just go and make friends here. Now you can just go to the discover section right now, right, and you can swipe right. And okay, so let's just go here. Okay, tap to previous. Okay, got it. Now here, as you know, you can swipe right just like Tinder or Bumble, and they just swipe at the same time, or basically they also swipe you. Then of course you will able to get this option to get friends with them, right? And after the friends section, you will able to chat on here. Now it will open up here, right? Just like the the dating apps such as Bumble or Tinder, right? You can use them. So it's really easy to do this, and I hope you understood each and everything. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.